Step into a world of wonder and innovation as we unveil amazing inventions that push the boundaries of imagination and reshape our future. Look at this micro-hovercraft. Hideyasu Ito, the Japanese inventor and founder of Micro Hoverboard Laboratory, became a viral star earlier this year when a brief video of his latest prototype was picked up by the international media. Check out this OpenWorks counter-drone system. The launcher uses a computerized smart scope to calculate the drone's flight. The CarCaddy electric car pusher is a battery-operated and optimized to push vehicles and cars, and can push up to 20,000 pounds on flat grounds. This ClearBot cleans trash, oil, and invasive weeds while running on electric power. Can be also used for surveillance and cargo delivery. The first automated and FDA-cleared ear cleaning device. Revolutionizing safety with style, the airbag jacket embraces cutting-edge technology, providing a life-saving shield. Discover the ultimate gear for fearless adventurers and urban explorers. Defy gravity's hold with the breathtaking Gravity Jet suit. Experience the thrill of soaring through the skies like a modern-day superhero, rewriting the limits of human flight. Check out this modern sleeping bag. Look at this underground bike parking system in Japan. Not only saves public space and secures your bike underground, but it is also said to be earthquake resistant. Layers of individually programmable lights affixed to, or even woven into, a building's outer surface to serve as a dynamic palette for text, images, and video animations. A flying car, often known as a roadable aircraft, is a vehicle that can act as both a road vehicle and an aircraft. Ride in the safest helmet ever created. Fully adjustable integrated lighting. MIPS and best-in-class materials. Crash detection with location-based emergency response. Step into the future with bionic boots, the perfect fusion of man and machine. Feel the power of superhuman speed and agility as every stride propels you forward into new possibilities. Check out this agri-robot. Definitely will help farmers reach optimum production. SmartFlower is a revolutionary sculptural solar flower with advanced photovoltaic solar panels that open and close to clean itself for maximum efficiency. Meet the world's first all-electric mobility solution, which autonomously alters its width and riding behavior to meet the various problems and requirements of residents who call the world's most populous cities home. Check out this cool robot. It can run and jump in any obstacles. This unique transportation robot that looks like a spider. Check out this one. A dust suppression and firefighting machine with water mist. Look at this custom-built 4x4 rock crawler. Look at this drone that carries self-burying seeds. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.